Hello students, and now we are going to see the second question. So let us write what is given. Given is integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square into x cube into dx, that is equal to 32. They have given the value, the answer also. But the question here is, what is the value of alpha? This is the question. Okay, alpha is here. We need to find the value of alpha. Okay, so now we know the formula that integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax x power n into dx is equal to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. This is the formula that we know. Okay, so here we should in order to apply this formula, here we should get only x, but here we are having what? X square. So we are going for the substitution method. So let t is equal to x square. So we are substituting t is equal to x square in that given equation. So what is dt? dt is equal to, when you differentiate this x square, it is 2x into dx. So this is our dt. Now we have to go for the limit x and t when x is 0. When x is 0, the value of t is also, when you substitute 0 here, value of t is also 0. And then when x is infinity, the value of t is also infinity. Infinity the whole square is also infinity. Okay. So therefore, given integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square into x cube dx can be written as integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha, instead of x square we'll put t, and then for this x cube I am going to write this as x square into let me write this in bracket, x square into x dx. Okay, so I can write like this. For x square I can substitute t. For x dx from here, what is x dx? X dx is equal to dt by 2. So let me put dt by 2. Okay, so therefore since 1 by 2 is constant, so I can take this outside. So 1 by 2 integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha t into t dt. Okay, so now it is of this form. Okay, now it is of this form. So therefore by using this form, 1 by 2 n is 1. Okay, the value of n is 1. So 1 factorial divided by alpha power 1 plus 1. Okay, alpha power 1 plus 1, and the value of this integration they have given us what? 32. So we are going to make use of this. Okay, 32. So we'll bring this 2 into this side. Okay, I'll do it here itself. Okay, we'll bring this 2 into this side. So it is 64, which is equal to 1 factorial is 1 divided by alpha square. Okay, so therefore alpha square is equal to 1 by 64. Okay, so what is alpha? Alpha is equal to 8 8s are 64, so 1 by 8. It cannot take a negative because they have in that question itself alpha is what? It is greater than 0. Therefore alpha is equal to 1 by 8, which is the answer for the second question. Clear?